Hello, welcome to day 20 of 100 days of coding with me, Ray at Simplexity Code. And today we are going to look at the amazing mixture of CSS and HTML. And this is one of the real app that we are going to build. And from there, we'll see how we can build this site. So as you can see, this site is made up with header, made up with the mid site, footer. So we need to make this into simple from scratch up to where we can have something like this. Because if you have something like this, you can build on top of this whatever you want to do. And that's what we want to do. Let's do it. Do it. Let's do it. Good. So we go here. We have our day 21, 20 actually. Should be day 20. Good. So as you remember, we use our HTML5 and if you remember, we said you can be able to include your CSS in a different way. We are continuing using the file, external file. This and that's all. So at this level, we're going to use almost, if you look at that site, almost three to four, three section. We have header, we have section as an element, but also we have footer. So if we do this, we can say I use h1. Welcome to site. I'll use h3, which is services. About us. About us will be we are and apps. Sound good. Here we have our P paragraph. We have our all right. So if we pull this on the view, it look as HTML as it's supposed to look like. Good, which is good. But now we need to do this now in CSS. So we go and create our CSS file, which we said called style. Then open our CSS, edit here, and we'll start with body, because body carry everything, and we say we're going to shut all the margin and padding. So margin 0, a padding without 0. Good, that's a good start. But also we are going to specify font family. We can choose. I go for Arial, this one. It's common in a different of OS. Okay. After that, I have what? Background color. So my background color will be F4, F4, which is not as wide as that. That color of text will be 33. Good. So my body is all set. I go to section now. Oh, the header. The header will be as follows. I'll go with the background color first because I need to make it black, kind of, which is not black, it's that color. Text color will be white. What else do I need to do on header? I need to align text. Enter. What else I need to do? I need to do that. Good. Almost the same thing will go with the section because you need to specify the background color, which is going to be white, but also color, which is already there. I don't need to specify color on the, it's already on the body, but I need to specify the size. I mean width with 800 pixels, and I need to specify min height. Why am I'm specifying min height is because I want the section to take over the whole space. So I'll say 20 VH, because VH goes with the percentage, which is good. I will need to say padding. On here, I will say 20 pixels. And the margin, I'll say 20 pixels by auto, so that take up and down, but on the left and the right, it depends with the size of the screen. Good. So it's almost covering, but not covering. What else am I forgetting here? I need the border radius. Border radius. Okay, to make sure that at the corner of this particular section, there is kind of good looking hands, but also box shadow, which is good. I would go with 0, 0, 10 pixels, 0, 0, 10 pixels. I will define RGBA, which specify the red, specify the colors by the also transparent or alpha. So I'll go with 0, 0, 0, 1. So this is a bright color, but with a little bit out there. Okay, I think I have to add, I forgot padding here. Padding here will be auto, so that it can hover on top and the bottom, and it's having a very good look now. But also here on footer, I'll do almost the same as the header, almost the same, because I need to have the background color to be the same color on the header, but also I'll need to have color. I have to specify color here because the body color is white, is the white. No, it's black, which is the same color with the background of the photo. So if I don't specify the colors, the text color, my text will not be visible. That's good. But also I need to take the text on the center. So text alignment enter. Last thing, I need to specify the padding and below it cover only on the top and the bottom. Good. With this, I think almost done. Let me see. One more thing. So you see, it's almost done like the previous one, but if I maximize, I expand with the screen, this text is still following the left and the right. I need to specify on the body the display. So I will say display here, I will say grid. With that, I'm making this particular rule, which I specified here of 800, be in use. You see now, there's this space here which has been created after getting the 800 of the whole screen. Yeah. If the screen is small, fit like that, but the screen is too big, the text, the whole thing is covered in that particular 100. Yep. But also, if we go here, let's see. Let me add the things on the horizontal part. So, which is not. So by that, how many minutes? 11. Good. By that means we can now be able to add the rest of the things in our page as we want and make it looking good and looking amazing. Thank you very much. Until next time, this was 20th day. So don't miss our 21st and 2nd, third other activities like this ones. Till next time, remember to share, comment,